Hi, my name is Juliana Dow, and this is my QEP presentation on diabetes. Diabetes is a silent killing disease that millions of people in America suffer with. And out of all of the races, Native Americans are affected the most. And although diabetes can't be cured, there can be ways to reverse the effects of it, such as eating healthy and exercising. So what is diabetes? Well, diabetes is an inherited or an acquired disease. Inherited meaning that you got it from your parents, and acquired meaning that somehow you got it from being maybe obese is one of the examples. And this disease is associated with the pancreas not producing enough insulin. In people with type 1 diabetes, the pancreas doesn't produce enough insulin for the body to function. And in type 2, the body just doesn't know how to process sugar the right way. And there are 3 types of diabetes: type 1, type 2, and gestational. Gestational only occurs in pregnant women, and the main cause for that is the woman being obese during her pregnancy. The symptoms of diabetes, and there are a number of problems diabetes causes, such as increased urination, dry mouth, increased appetite and thirst, fatigue, blurred vision, slowed healing sores and cuts, and possibly nerve pain, which is diabetic nerve pain, which can be in the fingers or in the toes. The treatment for diabetes. People that have type 1 diabetes usually have to take insulin treatments. And people with type 2 usually don't have to do that, but in some cases it's required. But there is a holistic approach to diabetes in which you exercise and eat healthy and stay on top of your health. Regulate. And here's my experience with diabetes. This one here is my grandma. And if you just look at her, it doesn't look like there's anything wrong with her, but she did have diabetes. And she always stayed on top of her health. She always checked her blood sugar before every meal, and she always wrote her results down in a journal. And she also never stopped moving around, which is exercise. She would clean the house, she would go outside and clean the yard, and she also cooked every day. So in all, she didn't have any serious problems with her diabetes. So that was good because she stayed on top of her health. In conclusion, a known fact about diabetes is that it is inherited, and some people are just going to get it. But it's also an acquired disease as well. And diabetes can be prevented, and it's not a disease that anybody wants. So there's people right now that haven't been diagnosed with it, and they are on the verge of some serious health problems. But diabetes can be stopped. The silent killer needs to be stopped. And here's my works cited.